Hey, so how's everybody doing? It's actually nighttime, if you can't tell. I noticed that my lights that I had just made a video on saying they're perfectly great are not perfectly great. I'm driving around and I feel like my left beam is just not quite as strong as it should be. It's still there, but it's not very strong. And I honestly, I don't feel safe driving it like this. But let's give you a look real quick. So the lights, aftermarket LED headlights, are really not working very well anymore. If you can't tell by the beam strength right here, that's the one that I'm having trouble with, and that's what the other one looks like. So clearly there's a slight issue here. Now there are little LED diodes on each one. I believe there's 6 per on here, so it is possible like half them shorted out and stopped working or overheated. But yeah, luckily I still have my other lights left over from when I initially installed these, my C lights. So we'll go ahead and use these and see how well they work. These ones have been good for 2.5 years, but the fans have always made noises on them. So let's go ahead and change them out and we'll see how well these ones work. Most likely we'll never get to the end of the life of the other ones here. Both fans are working, this one's just not working quite up to par with what we want. So let's get my big flashlight out here. Turn off the lights so I don't get tased. Okay. Put this thing up here. It's an aluminum hood. Huh. Yeah, so I just found out we have an aluminum hood on our Honda. It's pretty cool. Aluminum. See, it's magnetic for that bolt, but the actual hood's aluminum. Awesome. That's really cool. So now you guys know that we have aluminum hoods on our Honda Accord Sport Special Editions. What about this? Yeah, see, that's not aluminum. I wouldn't think that would be aluminum. All right, let's get this thing started. So we got pop that out of there. Hood prop. See, they got 3 little diodes on there. Looks like one side's shorted out. My guess is it's probably this side here. Let's check that real quick. So that's working, and that's working. Why is it so? Oh, that one's definitely a dimmer right there. Yeah. Alright, let's grab this guy. I'm partially blind. Put this down. Water on there. Okay, so we got that bulb out. Let's connect this up. I really like the fit of this one. Much brighter. Big difference, huh? Look at that. This one's a lot quieter too. Alright. So I gotta mount this little module up underneath here somehow. Where did I put it last time? I put it right there. Alright, so we mounted the little box there. I think it's a volt control box or something like that. It controls the amount of volts, because you can run either 12 volt on this or 24 volt according to the packaging. I'm not a huge fan of this though. Look at this. Oh, it rocks in there like that. Kind of a bad design. But that'll work for now. I think I'm going to do one side. This one rock like that too? That one seems more sturdy. I wonder if there's a way to tighten it up. Let's check real quick. Let's check this out. Oh, there is. Alright, so this little end piece can screw off of here. So we gotta tighten that down on another one. Alright, so we're back. We've got the little pliers to tighten this up with. Let's go ahead and get this on my face. That's better now. Now it's tight. Alright, so we gotta do that to this one. That's our in place. Alright, so let's go ahead and grab this out of here. POV is always better. Grab that out of there. Come on. Came in. Flip this if we can. Like that. So where's this thing? Let's see here. Gotta clock this correctly. Okay. So the thick one is that way. So that little thin one's at the bottom. So it's gonna look like that. It's gonna be straight up and down then. Okay. Straight up and down. Alrighty then, so let's go ahead and tighten this down. And then we'll do that to the other side as well, match them. There. Still loose though. I wish that would be like tighter. Badger just screwed up on this thing. It's tight enough. And this one, that's clocked correctly already, so that's good. Okay. Probably come back and throw some silicone, high temp silicone on this, and that'll keep this thing in place. But for now, this will work. Go ahead and get this back in there. There. That's in there. I can take this and toss it because it's garbage. We'll save this one. This one still worked fine. That one seemed like it was burnt. Let's check that one out real quick. If I can find it. There it is. No. In the trash. Yeah, look at that. There's like a little something right there. This looks like it got toasted or something. That one definitely doesn't look good. Yeah, it looks like it was burning out. That one looks fine, but this one's definitely got burnt diode. This one looks fine though. That's strange. Why would only one go? Maybe it overheated? Either way. Save this. Alright. So that's us mounted up. We got the little box on there. Looks good. It's not as tight as I would like, but it is what it is. Here. Find a place for this to go in. No banging. Not too bad. Alright, let's test them out. That one's still not working over there. Connector? Did I plug it back in? Yeah, so it wasn't plugged in. That's much better. Can you see that? Look at that. Yeah, so I gotta get a little silicone on that because it's not tight enough. You'll get that easily though. Cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little update with my lights and how I screwed myself by talking about them being reliable. Don't do that. Never talk about something being reliable because it usually breaks right afterwards. But yeah, we got another video to make on this car. It's been at 30,000 miles for quite some time here. Keys. It's been at 30,000 miles for quite some time. 30,971 right now. I gotta make a an update video on you guys for the reliability and everything. Auto. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Want to see more videos on this car or other car videos, please subscribe, and I always appreciate comments. Thanks everybody, have a great day.